All right, we just got in a shipment from Free Spirit, the William Morris collection. I believe this is called Bloomsbury, if I'm not mistaken. And the pattern here, oh, this is Orkney collection, and this is pattern Wilhemina in the color linen. Now, normally we do a box opening, and we were all ready to do a box opening yesterday morning, but Linda and her hubby Rick came in, and they were from out of state, and they made a special trip to get to Ladyfingers, which lots of our customers do. We were happy to see them, and I said, you know, this was going to be unboxed momentarily, and of course she twisted my arm. So I got everything out of the box. She bought a lot of it, but not all of it, so some of this is available for you too. So this beautiful, beautiful Morris & Company print is beige with very soft sagey greens and teals, a little bit of an like ambery rose color. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I just saw online a wonderful log cabin quilt made out of some William Morris prints, and I'm thinking about making one for us, which means of course you might get dibbies on one too. So that's this one. And then we got some beautiful backgrounds that are also William Morris. I think these are just splendid. This is stand-in. The pattern is poppy and the color is cream. Isn't that lovely? Nice, and it's just the perfect shade. I love this pattern too. This one is mineral. Well, actually it's pure willow bough, and the color is linen. Next, I got a wide back, and this is, let's see, Strawberry Thief. So this is a nice 108 wide, back in a nice neutral color. A lot of people like light backings for their quilts, and this will fit right in. Next we have mini Strawberry Thief. So just check it out. This is the same pattern, but it's been shrunken down and colored up, which is kind of fun. It's a beautiful shades of blue and turquoise with gold, and the little red strawberries that you can see there. So this is mini Strawberry Thief, and the color is teal. Alright, next, I love this. This makes me think of Christmas, actually. This is Keimscott. The pattern is marigold, and the color is red. It is absolutely exquisite. The printing quality on these prints is really, really great. Free Spirit does an excellent job. Next, I needed something to settle everybody down. So this beautiful navy is also William Morris. And the pattern is called Seaweed Dot, and the color is navy. So think about it. It doesn't look that traditional, but yet it is. So it's one of these fabrics that goes with everything. Next, we have, ooh, I like this. This one is Golden Lily, and the color is Dusk. Isn't that gorgeous? Just soft and pretty. This one's definitely going in that log cabin, I'll tell you what. Okay, and we have, this is also a Golden Lily, yes, Golden Lily, and the color is Autumn. Beautiful shades of turquoise and teal with a really nice deep orange, a pumpkin-y color with little touches of gold. Just gorgeous. And now a different print. Also William Morris. These are all William Morris. And this is Theodesia. It looks very early, really fun. I'd love to see somebody do some fussy cutting with this. Look at the little birds, and an oak leaf, which is always a symbol of longevity and strength. This is a really beautiful color of red. And this is another timeless print. Now this is very simple. It's called Willow, and it's Kona is the color. So it's a kind of a coffee bean color, really pretty, nice neutral to break up all the busy prints. Again, this is William Morris. And here's a gorgeous, if you like cocoa, this is your baby. So this one is from Bloomsbury. It's Strawberry Thief, and the color is teal. But note, there's a lot of brown. This is a dark, dark brown background. It's beautiful with the blue, with the tealy blue and the touches of navy. Next, we have Wilhemina in Sage. How gorgeous is that? Notice that the background is mottled, and that's an extra screen or two when we do that for our background fabrics. So I imagine there's quite a few gams. Yes, there are. There are 18 gams. That means 18 little dots along the selvage edge to create all the different colors and shadings in this print. Isn't that marvelous? Strawberry Thief in navy, and this is striking. I think Bill said this was his favorite one. This is a deep dark navy background with a lighter blue leaves and greens, and again this is another one with a million gams in it, so that means that it costs more to create fabrics with that many different colors and shades of color in it, and it is absolutely exquisite. Look at those birds. Look at the way the screens create that motif. It's amazing. Two more to go for our William Morris collection. This is Wandel. The color is Medicine. I've never heard a colorway called Medicine before, but what do I know, huh? So these are great big fun flowers with other sized flowers on vines. The cool thing about this one is I love how the leaves are blue with touches of green at the tips. That's so cool. So beautiful fabric. I think this would make an outstanding backing, even though it's not a wide back, but it sure would make a nice one. So check that out. And finally, we have Chrysanthemum in red. Again, another classic print, goes with everything. Absolutely beautiful, fun to fussy cut if you're doing, you know, one of those, what is it called? One Patch Wonder or something like that. You can get a lot of things from a large scale print like this, and the colors are blocked off nicely. So if you're into that, this would be a great addition. Thank you for watching. All of these fabrics are available on Ladyfinger's website and also in our shop. So do go to www.ladyfingersewing.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the fun things that we're getting in here at Ladyfinger Sewing. Check out our Facebook page, and by all means, sign up for our newsletter. You can do that right on the home page of our website. Thanks for watching.